So I just spent $500,000 on a passion project of mine. Here's why. I'm going to tell you exactly what happened and why I'm proud to spend this kind of money. What's up, Tim Sykes here in Hawaii, on the verge of my documentary about saving the reefs premiering. I'm going to post a link just below this video. Watch it, and also leave a comment below this video after you watch it, or if you've already seen it by the time I post this. Let me know what you think about this documentary, because my team and I spent roughly 5-6 months working on this thing. I spent about $500,000 of my own personal money, not from the charity, that's just me, to produce this thing and travel everywhere. I would do it again, okay? Like, why would I invest $500,000 into a charity project where I'm not making any money? Well, there's a few reasons. Number one, $500,000, I'm fortunate enough where it's not, all my money. It's not even a big percent of all my money. Number two, if you have a passion project like I do with saving coral reefs, you want to see what you can do to actually succeed in any passion project. If you like jazz, you go to a lot of jazz clubs, you go to jazz festivals, you invest in the best instruments, maybe for yourself or your friends or whatever. I'm not a big fan of jazz. I'm a big fan of coral reefs. So I invested and I did what I had to do, I think, to make the best documentary possible. Your life should not just be about how much money you have in your account. Yes, having a lot of money in your account is nice. I still have a lot in my account. I'm very proud to take care of myself and my family, and even some close friends too who need a little help. That's my honor. But at the same time, I don't want to die with, spending nothing on anything that, I deem valuable. I don't want to die with a big bank account, like as I'm dying on my deathbed and I'm like, just passed 100 million. I can die happy. That's not what I want. Some people are like on social media like, Tim, you haven't made that much. You've only made 5 million trading. I have a bigger account than you. I've made more. Fantastic. You probably have more in your account too, because I donate a ridiculously high percent of my income to charity because I care about it. So for me, money, yes, has bought me my freedom. Yes, it has allowed me to take care of myself, my family, my friends. All of my dreams have come true in terms of what my money has bought me and those I care about. But afterwards, it's like, okay, you have a big account. What are you going to do with it? I want to change the world. I kind of got obsessed with charity a few years ago. I've gotten obsessed with building schools. I now have 53 schools around the world. I got tired of even naming them after myself. The first few of them were like the Tim Sykes Learning Center, the Timothy Sykes School for this, the Timothy Sykes Scholarship House in Cambodia is another one for sexually abused girls. We try to help wherever we can. But now I'm naming them after my students. My last 4 millionaire students have schools in their names. That's pretty cool. So I try different stuff. And some people don't understand it. That's why I'm making this video. They're like, how can you spend $500,000 on something where you know you're not going to make money back? Some people think it's like a tax dodge. It's not, okay? There's no way to spend a lot of money on charity and then get money back. It just comes off the taxes that you make. So the $500,000 that I basically spent on this is my own personal thing. That's not even the charity donations, okay? The charity donations have been roughly $90,000 so far, but I'm going to donate more. The good news is that I am putting my money where my mouth is. I don't just make a documentary for the sake of it. When you see this documentary on coral reefs, you'll understand why we're all in this together and why it took so much money for me to get this message out to you. We traveled all over the world, not just because I love travel, but because we had to show the coral reefs in different spots. So I want you to start thinking a little differently about money. Instead of just saying, oh, that's a lot of money, start thinking about, okay, here's something I'm passionate about, or here's a problem. What can I do to help? How much will it take to help? And I'm not saying just throw a lot of money at the problem to fix it. If the whole trip and my whole film had cost $300,000 instead of $500,000, I'd be happy too. But I did what I could in each place with the resources that I now control. And that's how I think you should look at money. What can you do with it to make your life or those you care about or whatever you care about better? That's what money should be used for. It's not just a number in your account. It can change lives, and it can change your life, it can change a lot of other people's lives. So I encourage you to, yes, get a lot of money in your account. But once you have a lot of money, start thinking about how can you spend it? How can you donate it? What is it good for? I don't want you to just think of this as like a video game where you have a high score. I know some people like that, and they are miserable in life because they hoard all of the money, they don't spend it, they don't treat anybody else. And they just get off on like looking at how much is in their own account. That's no way to live, okay? I hope that you have enough money to live well, but I also hope that you evolve enough and mature enough, kind of the way that I have now, after being a millionaire for roughly 2 decades. I've learned a lot, and I see a lot. I've traveled all over the world, but I see what I think money can be used for, and I want you to see it too. So again, click the link just below this video. Watch my documentary on coral reefs. I don't make any money from it. It's for charity, but it's for a good purpose. And frankly, if no one else thinks this way, once you start seeing this documentary in play, if no one else really is willing to do anything, we're kind of screwed, marine life wise, ocean wise, species wise. We are an endangered species given what's happening around the world. And it's time to, open your eyes and see that. So I'm proud to help open your eyes, and I'm proud to spend this money, and I'm proud to make this video for you. Cheers. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.